What does it say?
Dolphin.
Right. Up, Bella.
Oh.
Yeah. Yes.
Give me the bombastic side.
The bombastic side eye. Yeah, look this way, Bria. Bria, look this way. Yeah, Bella, look this way.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
Cufflinks. What's up? Another day, another moment in the car. We're with the girls today. We were trying to take them to a surprise location for their summer holidays. The place takes in the last person at 1 and we left out after 12. And it's a 2-hour drive, so that didn't work out. So we're just trying to find somewhere for them to go now. We just stopped to get some food and we're gonna head to a beach. Bella is sleeping and Bria is awake. Bria, say hi to the cufflinks. Yeah. So just spend some time together, enjoy ourselves, and then head back home. Make a few stops along the way. But you don't know, it's summer stuff from the cups. Different thing today. Some people have food in their mouth, that's why I don't hear from them. But it is what it is.
And I just wake up.
We're fun, we're inspirational, we're real, and we're educational. Welcome to all our new subscribers and big ups to the returning residents. Tenants in the building! Alright, food time.
Love you guys.
Come Bella, all the way, all the way.
Oh my god. It's not like, don't give me that sound. He's giving me the bombastic side eye. So like, I'm just gonna continue my walk. He's trying to see. Oh, it's saying hi. It's saying hi to you guys. So like,
Guys, we're back at Krispy Kreme. 2 days after, we're back at Krispy Kreme. It was that good. So we're going where we've never been before, right? Where you've never been before, right?
I see a beach.
Alright, look to your left.
Oh my!
What does it say?
Actually,
What else?
dolphin. That's what Peyton was thinking. She was like, "Are you guys going to Dolphin Cove?"
Good day.
Did you see the dolphin? See it? Why are they so cute? I see two right now. Yeah, they're so cute.
Bella, what's that on you? What's that on you? You so white? What's that on you?
Sunscreen.
Go, mommy. This is after we've been in the sun for 2 hours.
2 hours.
Right?
We never know.
We didn't know the encounter would have been that long, but it was amazing. You enjoyed it, Bella?
Yeah.
What was the name of your dolphin?
I don't know again.
What's the name of your dolphin? What did the dolphin do? Tell me what the dolphin do, Bella.
It was eating and it jumped so high.
Yes. What did the dolphin do, Bella?
We got to pet him.
Yeah.
We got to pet him. He jumped. And we got to dance with him a bit.
Enjoyed it?
Yes, it was so fun. And now we're going.
Oh no.
If we want
Don't
to.
move, Bella. Just hold up your hand.
I want. They're so cute. I know.
No, Bella. Just hold the hand. Don't move it, Mama. Don't move it.
Don't move it. It's not going to hurt you.
Nice, Bria. Nice. Bella, hold up
What
your
type
hand.
of birds are these?
Nice, Bella. Yeah, Bria.
Can I pet it?
No. Just hold it. Just hold it.
You have such good grip. There's 2 of them. 2 look.
Yeah, just don't move your hand, Bella. Don't move your hand.
Is that like handful now?
Bella, don't move your hand. Nice.
Look at them.
Nice.
Your one wants to eat my
Bella,
hand.
hold up your hand again, Mama.
You got my hand. Oh my god.
Yeah, Bella.
It's tickles.
It's tickles.
Even with 2 of them. Whoa. Whoa.
Bella, you look so pretty. Thank you. Look at the bird getting food. Yeah, that's fine. Don't move, baby.
Scarlet macaw.
No, Bella, no, Bella.
Hi,
Thank you.
Scarlet macaw. Hi, big guy.
Stay right there.
Don't move.
Hi, big guy. Oh my god.
Yeah. Hold up your hand, Bella. Right. Up, Bella. Yeah. Yes.
He's giving me the bombastic side.
The bombastic side eye. Yeah, look this way, Bria. Bria, look this way. Yeah, Bella, look this way. Cufflinks. That was a day and a half
Oh my god.
at Dolphin Cove. Bria,
It
how
was
was it?
so fun.
Yeah. Bella, how was it?
It was so very fun.
Okay.
Now we're
One thing you remember, Bella?
What did you love the most?
I loved the most when the man was slapping the box and he was doing it.
And he was doing the dance?
That was
Yeah.
dancing.
Which song was he singing?
Baby shark. Even though he is a dolphin.
And then Bria asked him what? What did you ask him, Bria?
I asked him, why are you singing a shark song and he's a dolphin?
And the man laughed. He did
So
not know
that's a
what
very
to
good
say.
question. He said he was doing it for the
Doo-doo
kids though.
dolphin?
And then yeah, he said dolphin doo-doo. Bria, what stood out for you? What was the most fun?
2 things. The dolphins and everything for the dolphins. And second, petting the pets.
Oh, the bird, you pet the bird, the iguana and
Parrot.
the parrots. Yeah.
Iguana. They are brave
Yeah.
cufflinks.
If you remember when she went to Cayman and she ran from the
Oh.
I
iguana.
was scared because I wasn't going to spray.
Yeah, but what stood out for you, babe?
For me, I love the dolphin experience. We came here before, but
How many
let me
years
see if
ago?
11 years before we got married, probably 11-12 years ago we came here. It was not as developed, so they didn't have a pool. I'm happy they have a pool this time around, a pool and a jacuzzi, and I'm happy that it was shallow enough for the kids to enjoy and deep enough for those who want to go that way.
Yeah.
But the dolphin experience was very, very, very good. We learned a lot.
Yeah. we
It
did.
was fascinating too. So big ups to Ronaldo.
And
Big
Pastor.
ups and Pastor.
Pastor.
Pastor, that's the name of the dolphin.
And
It was very informative.
If
I
you ever
enjoyed
come
it.
to Dolphin Cove, ask for Ronaldo and Pastor.
Yeah.
He's very good. You know, remember we were saying they were sending us to somebody else and we said we're going to
We're
rest.
going to rest.
Yeah.
Pastor.
He was very good. He answered all our questions. He was fun with the kids.
Pastor is so kind.
Pastor is 6 years old.
Yeah, he's a baby. He's so good and he listens so
Pastor loved me. Oh my gosh. Pastor. The tour guide was saying to Brian, don't be jealous. Pastor,
Dolphin kissed her before it's time for kiss. He kissed her off his own way.
Kiss
And then he
me.
started laughing at me.
It was so funny.
Yeah, that was crazy. That was crazy.
He kissed mommy so much times.
I
And he
think
was laughing at me.
I think what was fascinating is that the dolphin seemed like a pet. Like in that moment, the dolphin felt like a little puppy or a little cat
Bella, mommy's talking.
or something like that. Based on how he was interacting with us. So the kids will take us back with their kids when we're old.
Yeah, when it's more developed again, right?
Yes.
For us
was
though,
good.
it was one thing that stood out for me is that if you're coming and it's not necessarily the one where you swim with the dolphin or you get pushed by the dolphin, it costs a little. The experience costs a little. The overall experience, even to take pictures,
It cost
you
a lot.
the pictures cost more than the cost
The
to go in.
experience.
Yeah, for all of us that is. But we're able to have fun, and the memories will last a lifetime. And you know, you can always make more money, but you won't necessarily get the opportunity again to make these memories. Sometimes we take it for granted. Even coming here, it's a Jamaican experience, and most Jamaicans never came here or will never get the chance to come here. And to just have this overall experience, we're really grateful. And yeah.
And to reiterate, Jamaicans, when you are going to these tourist attractions, walk with your IDs. Locals, we get a discounted rate versus tourists. Right? Walk. I saw a lady there quarreling today. Oh, sorry. If I didn't do that, I wouldn't be boss, right? Because she did not have her ID. And she quarreled, so she not pay the extra money and she got stay out the door or whatever. The receptionist recognized me and said, you can imagine, look how you just post back the video up at Duns River where you tell people to carry them ID and the video went viral, so a whole heap of people see it. And you got tell me, say, she never see it. And I was laughing. So bring your IDs when you're going to these tourist attractions. As locals, we get a discounted rate. It's not unique to Jamaica, it's right around the world. That's how it go. It's an incentive for us as locals to also enjoy our island. So yeah, it was good.
Guys, when I get older, I'm gonna be like, in my old days, they had a pool, and then they'll have something new.
Yeah.
In your
Like
young
something.
days. Alright, so
Alright
that's it for
guys,
this part of the
we're
vlog.
heading home.
We are out. Traffic like crazy.
heading out.
Going that way, right?
That's traffic. It's all the way down. And it's all the way down.
Stuff from the coves, stuff from the coves. If you had a bad day and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the coves is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the coves, stuff from the coves.